friends, Marv and Harry here. We're about to install the transmission, so let's roll. Corey, what's going on?
I'm just cleaning some oil.
You're cleaning oil?
Well, off the trains. I don't want to put it in there all freaking dirty.
Okay.
The pilot bearing that was replaced, it was noisy as shit when you would sit at a light in neutral.
Okay.
Well, it could also be this bearing.
So
I don't have a new one of those. I don't know what that's called, to be honest. I think it's a... I know the bearing style is a race bearing, I think. Well, it's a ball bearing, but...
Should we get a new one?
Should, would, could.
Coulda, shoulda, woulda.
Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Maybe. That'd be the professional thing to do. Okay, so it's mostly done. This is, I don't even know, a few days later. I don't even know when the last time I recorded. So today is March, okay, it's not March. Today's February 28th, Thursday. And I'm gonna tighten all the last bolts, put on an exhaust clamp and some other BS, but it's gonna go on the ground. Everything's pretty much done. So it looks like a car again. And everything is up there. So that's nice. Anna, my girlfriend Anna, is coming with bacon burgers from Chili's. So I'm pretty excited. Okay, catch you in the next clip when we're probably starting it or lowering it on the ground. Stuff like that. Bye. Bye. Okay, back with the update. The car is ready to go. I had a little problem where I had two connectors switched up. So then skip shift was engaging. So I didn't have really second gear, no third and no fifth. And skip shift has been deleted on my car since I bought it. So I had no idea. Well, I mean, I knew about the stupid thing they put on the car, but I didn't know that that could happen again. So anyways, switched the connectors and they're good to go. When I did the wiring repair, the two connectors are identical and one was new. So I honestly didn't know what it went to, and my harness looks really different. It's custom taped. So that's why we, obviously it's not the same location as factory, so that's why it was easy to mix them up. So now we've got the car, it needs jump started because my battery sucks, and I think I'm gonna have to buy a new battery. New problem, which I mentioned in a previous video. Look at that. So I bought the smooth bellow. We got a nitrous plate right here. Now look at my intake. It's not lining up. So it's really annoying. Oh shit. Ah, come on. It's really annoying. And I thought that replacing this was a good idea. Evidently it's not. I think this is gonna fit better. I gotta put it back on. I don't know. Or do you think I could trim this? You think I could cut it? You think that's a good idea? Because then I'm worried about it fraying. I don't know. Let me get your opinion. I'm gonna try and start this up. Okay. It lives. So that's exciting. Oh. This is a weird sight. Ba-da-da-da! Present to you Trans Am on the ground. Now we celebrate with masturbation.
No.
Oh, no, I'm
What?
kidding. No. Alright, let's go. Thumbs up and subscribe.